Xiaomi's ecosystem companies are not only competing with other brands, they're competing with each other as well. And this is, for example, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, and it's considered to be one of the best-selling wearables on the market. But this company over here, Amazfit, part of Xiaomi in which Xiaomi holds shares, is selling the Cor 2 at a much higher rate than the Mi Band 3. But it also comes with many enhancements. So, time to check it out. Let's get started. The Amazfit smartband comes with a 1.23-inch colored IPS panel, which is bright enough for outdoor usage. Now on the screen you're able to read messages from Facebook, WhatsApp and Gmail, but you can't reply, unfortunately. Now there's a touch button below the display, which is used to light up the screen, and the rest of the operations are implemented through slides and touches. Now the strap is used with a similar look and feel to the Mi Band 3, and it is replaceable, but it goes a little bit different than with the standard straps, as it is connected via screws. Now this is the second model that we have over here, and compared to the previous model, it still has all of the same features. It can still display detailed data such as the number of steps taken, your heart rate and the hours slept. The newer model, however, is equipped with a new generation photoelectric continuous heart rate sensor, and in collaboration with the independently developed heart rate monitoring algorithm, it is said that it will deliver a more accurate heart rate detection, results and lower power consumption. Just like the Mi Band 3, it also connects over Bluetooth to the Mi Fit application, in which it enjoys all of the same features compared to the Mi Band 3. In case you want to know more about the Mi Fit application or the Mi Band 3, I will leave a link here up in the top right corner so you can check it out after watching this video. Now I understand that you have some questions, for example, why would you spend more money on a smartband that has very similar features? And before I continue with that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified every time when there's a new video posted. And now that we have that out of the way, the first and most obvious reason is probably the interaction and the way you interact with the smartband. It is more easy to navigate around, and the display is brighter than on the Mi Band 3 as well. And on top of that, it allows you to start more easily a workout and exercise, and that's what this device is all about. You can control more easily the music while running, you can check the weather and start, stop and do not disturb period. In terms of preciseness, both deliver very similar results in terms of steps taken and the calories burned. And I already proved in my other videos how accurate the Mi Band 3 is in terms of the heart rate sensor. The only difference between the two is that this one is measuring it faster, because the amount of heartbeats that it measures is just super similar as well. It's just a matter of time. Now, there are also a couple of reasons to not go for the Amazfit smartband, and one of them is, for example, the battery life. Even though the battery is bigger in terms of size, it's because of that display. The battery life is in standby mode 5 to 10 days shorter than to the Mi Band 3 at 15 days. And while using the device, it drops around 10% per day with one activity for half an hour, with the heart rate monitor turned on to monitor the sleep better. The other thing is that even though you can do more because of this display, it still has some limitations. For example, the do not disturb period. I'm personally missing the feature to set fixed hours, let's say 10 PM to 8 AM, instead of the auto mode or now mode. And last but not least, you cannot set the alarm directly from the watch itself, which is kind of annoying. And for the watch faces, you have to download them onto your phone first, and then you have to transfer them to your watch. And we finish with the fact that emojis are not supported when you get a notification. And speaking about that notification, if you get a pretty long notification, the screen will cut off the notification and there's no way to read the full notification. So in the end, I think this smartband is especially for people who want to track their activities with a smartband look while having some smartwatch functionalities. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And the same with the price. Do you think it's too steep or not? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and then I hope to see all of you in the next one.